We're delighted by our most recent 5-star review from one of our valued customers. Our team works hard to go the extra mile, so this type of review is very rewarding.
PurAir installed 3 excellent air conditioner systems in my condo. Installers and the owner, Pat, both have significant experience and are capable of dealing with unique problems. They make sure you keep breathing clean air by instructing customers about proper service. Excellent company.
Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from new customers, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and knowledge and superior customer service can help you. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.